Phil, this is unbelievable. You know, I've seen this in the smaller version, you know, as we're doing shows, but this is the full-size Paint Pro station.
Well, we debuted it at SEMA and won a couple international awards, and now we're going to try this thing out and paint like a pro.
Well, it's something I've been looking forward to. It's part of restoring a car or doing any type of work on a car or furniture, whatever it may be, that this is the biggest problem that people have is where do I paint it? Where do I varnish it? How do I do it without dust and dirt flying into the paint? And then, of course, the dust, actually, the overspray that I'm creating is going into my house instead of, or into the environment. This does.
Yeah, it's not just automotive. You know, there's a lot of industries that crosses, and you know, whether someone's doing ceramic coating, wrapping a vehicle, or like you said, you know, hey, you painted a car and I want it to dry while I'm doing something else. So the portability and inflates in less than 10 minutes. We're in business.
Yeah. Well, I can't wait to do it, to get the spray gun going. We're going to paint a hood this afternoon.
Yep.
And let's see how it turns out. I can't wait.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. I love this Paint Pro station so much. I'm going to put my signature on it because it's approved by me. I painted in it.
Can't beat that.
Mine as well, right?
We had a great day today and it exceeded expectations.
Signed, sealed, and delivered.